drag and drop support. The easiest way to demonstrate the power of this functionality is if I add a new protocol message. So I'm going to go to the response only messages, which were formerly you would have seen those formerly referred to as unsolicited messages. So I'm going to click to add a new unsolicited message, and I'm just going to call this test message. And we'll keep the defaults on everything else. So once I have the message actually added, I can expand that message to get to the actual received and response fields, the actual messages that are going to be associated with that, being received from the device or sent to the device. So I'm just going to drag some components in here. You'll see we've got a module for favorites, which I'll cover momentarily. Control sequences, so that's going to be your control characters, like your carriage returns, your line feeds, your headers, all of your control characters that are non-ASCII. We also have a list module for your items that are added to the protocol, and that corresponds to the items list up here. Register numbers, any register numbers available here are configured in the register numbers list. Same thing with topic variables, there's a module for those as well. And error detection codes. So there's the list of predefined standard error detection codes that install with OmniServer, and you can drag and drop those directly from that module. Any user-defined error detection codes, which would be configured on the error detection codes section of the protocol data, would be displayed here in this list and available for you to use in your messages. So I'm just going to show you how this works. I'm going to add my new item that I added. So you can see it just drag and drops that with the proper formatting. And I'm going to put a carriage return and a line feed at the end of it. So there's my carriage return. And there's my line feed.